All right, happy Sunday. Meal prep is simple this week, although it's simple every week, but I'm using up our vegetables to make, using this seasoning actually, a coconut curry lime soup. I'm switching it all up, but I will share how I'm going to do that. I'm also got prepped and ready to go, defrosting some fish and some chicken, and we're going to use some crispy crunchy coating for the fish sticks, because that's what we're going to make. And then the Philly cheesesteak, we're gonna actually put on some chicken and marinate that, and that'll be what's going on for this week. I still have my protein bites, my salted caramel protein bites, which are so good, in the fridge, and cornbread still left over. So little snacks like that or added on items to dinners and stuff are good to go. So that's how I'm starting off our meal prep today. And then I'll get veggies and do a little prep with that, and then our protein and all that. And that's kind of how I run, 20 minutes here, 20 minutes there. That way it's not overwhelming, but we still get some tasty, yummy homemade food.